new GoPro. Oh my god, it's a GoPro. It's a GoPro. Oh my god, look at those sharp fine details. Oh my god, this is unbelievable.
Flashback.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Siddharth Nair. You're watching That Car Guy. Today is a very special day because I have ordered something on Amazon like a week ago, and today it has finally arrived. Well, what it is the cheapest action camera slash GoPro in India, I believe, because I picked this GoPro slash action camera up for less than 1,000 rupees. Yes, less than 1,000 for an action camera. Is it even an actual camera? I have no idea. I received the packet today. Here it is. I did not even open it. It is sealed. So I'm going to take you guys along with me and we'll unbox this little item together and let's see what 900 rupees gets you in terms of camera equipment. So guys, this is the box. Just arrived from Amazon. But wait, I have this little guy. Let's see what I can do with this. Let's open this bad boy up right now. So this is not pre-planned or anything. I just thought I'll make a video out of random. That's why I'm in my car. I'm on the side of the road. Please excuse me for this very bad production quality. But get to see what this is. Come on, let's get all savage. Yep, here it is. Okay. Is there anything else in the box? Nope. So that's useless. This is the bill. Leave it there. This is the action camera. Oh, it's waterproof. You gotta be kidding me. Shoots in 1080, Ultra HD. Yeah, like I believe that. I'll be happy if this shoots any kind of video at all, leave alone 1080p. On the back, what does it say on the back? Is 1080 plus waterproof wide angle lens. Yo, wide angle. These are just writings. Let's open this thing up and let's see what it is. It's really hard to do with one hand. Sorry guys. So this is the camera itself. Oh! I dropped my phone! So let's get this sucker out of here. And not bad. It even has a screen on the back. Yeah, and I'm recording on my iPhone. That's me right there. Hi! But back to the camera. Wow, this feels good in the hand. It feels heavy. I thought it was going to be really flimsy, but no, this feels nice and heavy. There's a camera grip over here. I haven't used a GoPro like ever, so I have no idea what all of these adapters and things do. Let's see, we have this one right here. We have a grip kind of a mount. We have a charger. We have some more of these clamps. I have no idea what this is. Again, no idea what any of this does. But people who might be watching this might know what that does. And what is this? We have a strap. Is this? Yep. These are straps. Okay, so that's what it is. And we have this small book here. Is it any good? Okay. So this is what. This is like a user manual. Okay. Oh, okay. This is how you mount your stuff. Okay, that makes a lot of sense. Now this camera was 1,250, and I applied a discount coupon code, so my total bill came to around 980 or 75. I don't remember because it was a week ago. But even for 1,250, this is on the outside it looks really good. Now I have to find out what kind of video this actually shoots. So I got the camera on. This is the power button, apparently the one on the front. And okay, we are shooting something. So guys, the way you open this is there's a clamp kind of release button over here. You release that, this clamp comes off and you just tug and the door opens, and it's basically this. You have to shake it out. I am using one hand here for shooting and one hand to hold this product, but okay. Out of the box, it's very light. A little too light for my liking, but there is the camera right there. We have the power / mode button. This is the record button, and we have two buttons over here to scroll through the menus. We have this knurling kind of a finish all around. It is not a GoPro by any means, but it's small. I'll just give you an idea. This is how big it is. It is the size of a regular GoPro camera. The dimensions are too similar, but yep, that's pretty much it. And now I'm going to take some sample video to show you guys the quality of this camera. This action camera also came with this strap kind of thing. I think it's for POV shots. I could wrap it on over my head, and yeah, let's do some POV driving stuff. So guys, the head strap is on. Now let's see if this will fit somewhere like this. Yeah, give me a sec. I'll be with you guys in a moment.
5 hours later.
Ta-da! POV delight. Well, I don't know if it's safe to drive like this, but for you guys, I'm willing to take the risk. So I'll leave my camera on this stand right here, and see if I can get some. Expecting a whole lot. Quite honestly, I didn't even expect this device to start up. You know how Amazon cheap products are, but this thing started up, came with these waterproof casings and all. I was pretty impressed. Now let's check out what the quality of this is like. So guys, that was my new small cheap GoPro. It's not that good of a camera, but for $1,000, hey, this thing is really worth it. I'll probably use it for outside use, like if I want to stick a camera outside my car, this would be really good. Even if it falls off, it breaks, it's just $1,000, not a real GoPro. I wouldn't be too paranoid by that. So in places like that, this will be really handy. You just want to get some different kind of point of view shots from outside the car. This thing is really good, and the hard shell case is really good, guys. It makes this camera a whole lot better. The camera on its own without the shell is kind of cheap. It doesn't feel that good in the hand, but with this, it feels indestructible. So yeah, and if you want to buy this specific camera, I'll put a link in the description below. Do check it out if you want one. I bought it from Amazon. It's around $1,250. It's pretty inexpensive for any sort of action camera. So that's it, guys, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, guys. It means a lot to me. We'll catch you pretty soon with another video. Till then, goodbye, guys, and God bless.